We're at Disneyland again! We have Sarah and Aubrey and Amanda, and the lines have been awesome. There's been like no one here, so let's hope that stays that way.
Yes.
Ooh, mixing this chocolate and turning it pink. She's rocking it. Yum. Jack in the house. Amanda, what did you find here?
This is the avalanche donut that has about every cookie and candy bar you would want. Look at, there's a Butterfinger.
Wow.
Look at that, it's very
magical. The castle. Okay. All right, this is Amanda's donut. I mean, every cookie concoction possible.
Oh my gosh, and the
known to man. Butterfinger. I think you should take a big, giant bite of this.
Will you hold it?
Yeah. Oh, this is so good.
Oh my gosh.
This is the best ever. First reactions?
Oh my gosh. Like dark chocolate on top. Oh, and there's coconut.
Ooh. Coconut shavings. My oh my.
That's actually really good.
Aubrey always notices the details. Oh,
the Fantasyland. There's a skull in this one.
So awesome. Aubrey, tell us about mailboxes in every...
There's a mailbox in every land, and each one is themed just like the garbage cans for that land. So that's my mission this time, is find all the mailboxes.
Love it. Breakfast time. Red Rose Tavern. This all looks super yummy. Woo! It's exciting. It's real cute over here. Breakfast. This looks delicious. We're on Space Mountain! Woo! First run of the day! Wow! This is awesome! Strobe blasters! We decided we're all doing our own cart because winner buys churros. Yeah, winner buys churros. Or no, winner gets churros. Winner gets churros? I like that. Winner gets churros. Winner gets a churro. Bring it on. Hi, Buzz! Going down, bring it on! Bring it on! I love it. Go, Amanda, go! Yeah! Not too shabby. You're like freaking good at that. So good. So good. Chippendale. These are very cute. I love the berries in them. Check this out. It's a skeleton on one side, and then it turns into a man and an octopus.
Now, you scurvy skunk, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10. You're not 20. What the wrong? Pipe down, you little liver lover. And my thunder.
Beignet time. I'm dying at the no lines everywhere. All right, let's see these babies.
Do a reveal?
Yeah, do a reveal. Pumpkin
Oh my gosh,
beignet. Oh, that's cute. It's warm.
Oh my gosh.
How does it compare to a normal beignet?
Oh, it's like fall in a donut.
That sounds really good.
Say that?
They're like
Yummy?
Yeah, I really like
A
them.
really good thickness.
Yes, they're really good.
Aubrey, where are we headed to?
oh, my happy place.
Yes.
Mountain.
Aubrey loves Splash Mountain.
It's my favorite. I will ride it solo in the middle of the night. Like, that's my favorite.
That's so good.
Love it.
So we're headed to Splash Mountain. Angie's awesome and volunteered to go in the front row and get soaked.
Yeah.
So
We'll see. So don't
it's
judge.
probably though gonna like bite us
find,
in
like,
the
a
butt.
bag.
Yeah, and we might all get soaking wet.
Right.
A bag sounds good.
A bag, right?
Yeah, let's go to Pooh's Corner and get one.
Let's do it.
Check this out. They gave us Ziploc bags. This is so awesome. They said they give out the Ziploc bags at the beginning of the Splash Mountain Day until they run out. Genius! Have a zippity doo-dah day! There's the baggies that they hand out. Genius! Oh, wet in here! All right, we're on Splash Mountain! Oh! Thorns!
What we do, we follow the time. That's what we know. You make a fool out of yourself. That's what you do. Don't you go to
We're gonna see how wet everyone is.
Number 1.
How do you guys do?
Number 2.
Yeah, a little wet.
My shoes are wet.
Aubrey, not so much. Amanda, a little bit.
I'm a little wet.
Well done.
That's where the tidal wave came.
You guys definitely took one for the team. Let's see the back of Angie. Yep, you got some water. Yeah, girl. We're on the wildest ride in the wilderness. Front row, what? I mean, if you're wanting a new way to have a twist on the ride, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I mean, you might get your arms chopped off, but worth it. Tarzans! Here we go! Always love the views up here. Dinner time! Woo! That's loud. So riding the Thunder Mountain was really fun backwards, but I'm like totally feeling a little sick right now. So I'm just gonna hang out with Tarzan and his mom. Aubrey, how's that jungle julep?
It is magical.
So good?
It's so good. I love it.
Let's check in on some of this action going on here.
Oh, this
Photoing. Jungle julep right here, Bengal barbecue.
Oh my gosh.
Love it?
Change your life, right?
No, like seriously, this is my new favorite thing.
Yeah.
Really?
I haven't said that.
You haven't. New favorite right here. You heard it. Dinner at Amanda's. New fave. Yum.
I gotta make this at home.
The best part.
Eyes of the island. That will be the
Yeah. Check out this snake. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
timeless youth and beauty.
Don't look at her! Don't look at the eyes! Don't do it!
Your path now leads you.
Oh crap! Lunchtime at the Hungry Bear. Hungry? I love it up here. You got Pooh's Corner down here. Well, Winnie's Pooh Line, train ride, Splash Mountain, Sarah, Amanda, Hungry Bear menu. Watermelon lemonade free. Eating, hanging out. Just relaxing over here. Train time.
Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their steam power not only flat.
All the
You
Christmas
can see
lights up
people
on
stepping
Small
onto it's a small,
World.
off in the distance, majestic matter.
Disneyland. Hi, Gippy! Look at this cute little photo wall.
Pluto, you're on candid camera. No,
Oh my gosh, there's so much love.
there is.
He loves me, Kelsey. Yes,
Do you ladies have any dogs at home?
Oh my gosh, I wish I could take Pluto home to my pet.
Don't we all? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What kind of pet do you have?
I just have children.
Just oh. Well, Pluto fancies himself as a child of his master Mickey as well. Yes.
Pluto, take.
Yep. That way he doesn't get lost.
Oh my
Go on. Look. Look at that tag closer. Read. What does it say? What does it say?
Go to Mickey Mouse.
Of course. That's right. You folks have a good day.
Check it out. A nutcracker! Yay! Look at this cute sweater, and it is so soft. Mickey and Minnie riding in style. This is so cute. An apron. All of these holiday goodies over there. Cars, popcorn, treats, Crispies. What's that one?
Look how cute.
Are those little plates?
They're the salad plates. They're the salad
Oh, cute, cute. They have the cutest pin sets right now, and also patches. I'm like dying over the Dumbo, Haunted Mansion, Baymax. They have a really great castle. Check out how fun all this jewelry is. Pinocchio. Fun charms. This one has Olaf in it.
That's fun.
Endless hours of entertainment right here. Oh, toys, here we come. Oh, fast pass, yeah.
Scott was blind, although the robbers that never section extended and keep walking in the same direction. Enter.
Awesome! Do not cross this line. Amanda! What?
I want to be the rebel spy.
Everyone wants to be the rebel spy. Who is it?
We're looking for this rebel.
Who is it? Ah!
Your ship, one loyal to our cause you carry.
The spy.
It's Amanda. None of us were the rebel spy. We were bummed. Alien! Oh, he's so cute. Ooh. Ah. Eat that. How is it, guys?
That's really good.
Yum. Cream cheese filled pretzel time. Do you want to see something magical going on right now? This right now. How are they, girls?
So good.
So good?
I'm so happy.
You guys look so cute over here. It's the most magical time of the night. Oh my god. When all the lights go on. The twinkling. Look, the twinkle twinkles. And what's lit up tonight? Let's go look at it. We're just gonna soak in the moment. Oh.
321 days I spent the better half of the year just holding your space. I've got all the lights hanging up you can see from the street, but if you're not coming over you can light up my dreams. Every snowfall reminds me to call, 'cause I know if you're not here then it's not Christmas at all. But this year, oh, I believe you're coming back to me. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down. The song is singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around. If you're coming around, oh, oh.
We just found out what that square thing was with all the sugary stuff. Freaking churro toffee. Oh my gosh. And peppermint marshmallows. Everything looks so good. They made the garlands in here with ice cream cones. That is so cute. All the candy. It's candy garlands. Star bright. These are the cutest. I love it.
Darling.
Oh, so cute. Show us what you found.
These are records. They're the music from the rides.
That's
Looks like
so
real
fun.
pressed records. There's Haunted Mansion and Pirates and Small World. Oh my gosh, those are amazing.
Too fun. and $21.98. Not bad. Shop till we drop. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, that bird. I love them.
Cute.
Oh, I love them. Ready to soar. Oh, this is weird. So crazy. What? What? Dun, dun, dun. Polar bear. Polar baby. Yeah. Oh, I love this. So good.
Look at, you can see the stingrays.
Oh, stingrays in the water. Magical. Oh, pretty. Candy cane and sock. So cute. Dinner at the Jazz Kitchen. We're sitting outside and check this out. There's an awesome heater right above us. And Amanda's showing off her Ziploc bag. Best ever. Saving those babies. Dinner. Ooh, yum. Jambalaya. Medallion. Fantastic mirror in the bathroom. Real cool. Downtown Disney. Amanda's so excited about this.
This is amazing. This is a roasted strawberry and coconut ice cream.
Yum.
It's so incredibly good.
So good. Yummy, ladies? Good? Good? Yeah? So our place ran out of hot water. Well, didn't run out. It's not working. So we are carrying all our bags and checking into another place so we can have some hot water. It's pretty entertaining. Yeah, hot showers. We haven't showered in days. Yuck. Trying to figure out where to go. We don't know. We don't know. Found it. We made it, ladies. Home sweet home. All right, let's check this place out and hopefully we have hot water. Oh, okay. Bunk bed. Bed. Pretty cute in here though. Well, it's been a fun day. I am gonna go take a hot shower because it's about time. Thanks for watching on today's adventures.